Welcome to Yoga and YouTube channel. This is easy morning stretching video to start your day. Let's get started on the mat. Sukhasana, easy seated pose. Cross your legs and lengthen the spine. Interlace your fingers and flipping the palms round your back. Take few deep breaths. Release and interlace your fingers again, palms facing towards the sky. Stretch your arms. Elongate your side body. Stretch your shoulders. And then tilt your body to the left. Come back to center. Tilt your upper body to the right. Come back to center. One more deep stretch towards the sky. And then release. Sit towards the narrow part of the mat. Inhale, raise your arms. And exhale, bend the elbows. Squeeze your upper back. Keep drawing your belly button in towards the spine. Interlace your fingers. Stretch your shoulders and arms. Lift your heart. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Release. Extend your legs in front of you. Bend the right knee. Hug the right knee with the left crease of the elbow. Place your right hand back behind you. Twist your spine to the right. Relax the shoulders. Keep squeezing your upper back. Good. Release. And bend the right knee, lift the right leg. Wrap your right leg. Interlace your fingers. Gently move the right leg side to side. Stretch your right glutes. Release. Grab the right foot and extend the right leg. Straighten your spine. Lower the shoulders. Open the collarbones. Inhale. Exhale, one more twist. Grab the right outer edge of the foot with your left hand. Place the right hand back. Twist to the right side. If you cannot grab the right foot, you can grab the right calf or thigh. Good. Release. Switch sides. Bend the left leg, extend the right leg. Twist to the left side. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist deeper. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist deeper. Inhale. Exhale, back to center. Grab the left foot, lift the left leg, glute stretch. Hug the left shin and gently move side to side. Stretch your left glute. Inhale. Exhale, release. And then grab the left foot, straighten the leg. We are stretching the left calf, knee, and hamstring. Look at the left foot or slightly up. Release. Twist. Grab the left foot with your right hand. Twist your chest to the left. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist deeper. Inhale. Exhale. Back to center, release. Wrist stretch. Make a fist and roll the wrist. Spread your fingers. Place your hands next to your thighs. We're gonna lift the butt. Bring your knees together, engage your inner thighs. And lift your hips high as much as you can. Really engage your core. Draw your lower belly in. Hold for 3, 2, do your best. 1. Good, release. Paschimottanasana, seated forward fold. Bring your belly towards your thighs. Relax your head and neck. Breathe in through the lower back. Exhale, empty your stomach. Breathe in and out. Lift your chest. Come back up. Last pose, butterfly, Patakonasana. Bring your feet together, open your knees wide, and lower the belly towards the feet. You're welcome to stay here. Notice the sensation on your inner thighs and outer thighs. Extend your arms forward. You can relax your elbows. Let your head heavy and breathe. Come back up. Sukhasana, easy seated pose. Close your eyes. Take one deep breath. We are gonna close up with one arm circle. Inhale, raise your arms, palms together. Exhale, hands to heart. Thank you all for sharing your practice together. Have a wonderful day. Namaste. Thank you for joining with me today. If this video was useful for you, please hit the like button and subscribe Yoga YouTube channel so that we can keep practicing together. See you soon.